Well, there's the carb off of the Yerf dog. I had it soak in there in some weed eater gas, which is pretty good because it's got oil base in it, so it's not going to ruin the gaskets and all that. Just trying to get it cleaned up a little bit and see if I can get it to work any easier. The butterfly is still really tight on it. I'm going to work it around a little bit, and I'm going to pull this bowl off the bottom here, and so we can see what's inside there. Let's just pouring stuff out left and right. Alright. And we'll get this bowl off and I'll get back with you. Well, I got the bowl off, and I think you can see she is filthy. It's got, I don't know what all that is in it, but it is nasty. I'm going to take that gasket off right here so I don't mess it up, and I'm going to scrub this bowl out, and I'm going to see about taking this float off, because as you can see it's full of trash, and then look at taking the jets out. So we get the bowl cleaned out and I get the float off, I'll come back. The float right here, as you can see, as corroded as it is. There's a little pin that holds that float bowl in, but this thing is super nasty, so she's gonna need a good cleaning. So alright. Well, I got the float out. It looks like it's got sawdust in it. I don't know why it would have sawdust in it, but the whole carburetor looks like it's full of sawdust. My float pin right here lets the gas in and out. It is completely sealed up in there, so I'm going to have to work on that and get it out. Little carb cleaner. Maybe break it loose. But you can see all that in there. Like I said, it looks like sawdust. Alright, let me work on this and see if I can get this thing out of here. Alright, I got the needle out finally. That thing was nasty. See it laying there. She's gonna need some serious cleaning. And I don't know if you can see inside there or not, but that thing is corroded. I'm gonna pull these two jets out and we'll go from there. I got the two jets out and they are plugged up solid. Nothing getting through there. So they're definitely gonna have to be cleaned out. Pretty bad shape. I said I don't know what this thing's been into, but she is nasty. But we're gonna bring it back to life. So alright, I'm gonna try and pull. See if there's anything else take out before I pull the diaphragm off. Not seeing anything else. So I'll pull this bad boy off the top here and see what's inside. Okay. Got the diaphragm out. Doesn't look too bad. There's the spring. So hopefully we won't have to tear into that any deeper than what we already have.